Sheena, it's Joanna, and we are Beanie!
Yes, let's give it up for Beanie! Now, Beanie, give us a bit of a look back, ladies. How did you feel when you first found out that you were gonna be Shopee's newest brand ambassador?
Ay naku, kung maririnig nyo lang po talaga yung tili at sigaw po namin sa loob ng sasakyan nung sinabi po sa amin, sayang din natin na-record. Pero we are really excited po to work with Shopee dahil kami po mismo mga Shopee users din kami. And we feel proud because Shopee is loved by millions of Filipinos po. And excited na kami kasi actually nung na-shoot po na yung TVC, sobrang fun lang kung paano yung Beanie. Nag-match kasi yung vibe ng Shopee. So hopefully, mas tumagal pa po pagsasama namin ng Shopee.
Oh my God, I totally agree with that. Actually, when I first heard na kayo maging new brand ambassador, sobrang bagay talaga ang Beanie for Shopee. So I actually want to personally welcome you to the Shopee fam. You're now officially part of the Shopee fam. Cheers naman dyan, everyone!
Well, as for me, I can't believe I'm literally standing next to
Starstruck ako, no? Pareho kami, everyone here probably is really starstruck to see Beanie right in front of us today.
But like, just like everybody else, like we're also happy to have you here. And again, welcome to the Shopee fam.
Yes, I'm sure everyone is excited to share this online as well. So when you do show our girls some love by using the hashtag ShopeeXBeanie and hashtag ang dali-dali sa Shopee. And don't forget to upload your photos and videos on your social media and Shopee video account for a chance to win special awards.